Hello everyone, my name is Mikey and gusto ko lang itry mag-story time here and I just want to share something very quick and this is about the bag that I bought last time I was in Taiwan with my friend and this is the Coach bag right here. First of all, hindi kasi talaga ako mahilig bumili ng mga mamahalin na bag or bag in general. So, ang original plan ko kasi talaga is to buy a Gundam for myself as my birthday gift. Kaso at that moment, parang habang pumipili ako ng mga Gundam sa may Gundam base sa Taipei, parang nothing speaks to me personally, parang nothing sparks joy, so I end up buying nothing. So towards the end of our trip sa Taiwan, pumunta kami sa Coach Cafe ng friend ko, and nung una, gusto ko lang syempre mag-picture-picture, itry yung food. Kaso may mga naka-display kasi sila, so hindi ko maiwasang tumingin. So sabi ko, sige, tingin na ako ng mga naka-display nila, baka may mabili ako for my mom. Kasi sabi ng mami ko, wala naman siyang gusto. So okay, fine. Wala akong gastos. So pagkakit ko dun sa may second floor ng cafe nila, may nakita akong bag doon and it's like it's saying, hello, bilhin mo ako. So, ito yung bag. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan talaga pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas. This is Coach Compass 25 in Love Leather. So, ayan. Love Leather kasi ang design niya para siyang gamit na. Ayan. Para siyang pre-love. Pero kasi, ewan ko, sobrang ganda for me. Hey, if it makes me happy, it makes me happy, di ba? Kaya, ewan ko, binili ko siya agad. So, parang hindi na ako nagdalawang isip kasi ang ganda eh. Gagamitin ko siya today. Kaya, diba, buksan na natin. Oh. Bumili din ako ng charm niya and nilabas nung sales lady lahat ng available nila na charm that time. But, ito yung napili ko na charm. Sobrang cute. Look. It's a T-Rex. So cute, diba? May kasama din siya isang ganito na may kasamang pangalan ko. Tapos, this is the strap. For me, medyo masculine lang yung itsura niya, but hey, we can make it work. So, ito yung leather niya, love leather din, kagaya ng mismong bag. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko tong charm dito. So, feeling ko marami-rami ako malalagay na gamit. So, let's try. Wallet. Moisturizing cream. Lipstick. Mga pang-retouch. And some wet wipes. Tapos, ayan. And power bank. So, here's the bag in a different lighting. As you can see, sobrang ganda ng effect ng kanyang leather. It looks kind of vintage. Hence the name, Love Leather. Sobrang ganda ng bag. Yung zipper, so smooth. It has enough space for my stuff to go in. And feeling ko naman masusulit ko siya kasi pwede ko siyang gamitin sa kahit anong outfit. May it be casual, sporty, or even formal. And I'm not even a fan of bags, especially expensive ones. So, who knows, this might be the start of another journey for me as a bag enthusiast, diba? For as long as may pambili, kung wala, pwede naman pag-ipunan. So, there you go. This is the bag. Ayan. Coach Compass 25 in Love Leather.